Welcome, everybody. Let's refresh our memories and look at have and don't have. Remember, we have for positive and don't have for negative. For example, giraffes have a long neck, 4 legs, and 2 ears. But they don't have a big mouth, a long tail, and 8 legs. Monkeys have 2 arms, 2 legs, and a long tail. But monkeys don't have 4 eyes, a long nose, and 6 legs. Let's practice. What do these animals have? Tigers don't have. Remember to practice at home. See you in a while, crocodile.